Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cody with Bartlett Arbor Supply. Today we're going to be showing you guys an MRS redirect using an ISC small double pulley and an ART snaketail. This is a non-retrievable redirect, but having the pulleys in there, it makes it function extremely well. So you'll just throw this around here, and the cool thing with this is it just cinches off. So I can adjust that up, down, wherever it needs to go. Cinch that tight, and then I just pre-install the carabiner so that once I load the rope on, I can just attach it. So I can slack out my moving rope system, get both legs in there, get a little more slack, and then I can just attach the carabiner to it, reload my system. And then I'm able to take my lanyard off and I'm loaded into my system. As I said before, non-retrievable, but being on the pulleys makes it super smooth going up and down. Hopefully you guys like the video. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, bartlettman.com. Have a good day.